Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Lake Forest, local, and long-distance movers near me. Hiring the best and cheapest Lake Forest moving company will make a big difference. 3 Movers is the most reliable option for residential or commercial moves. We can help you with your local or long-distance move, whether it's a dorm room or a large house. Our team streamlines the process to make your move go off without a hitch. The right long-distance movers will make a big difference. We help you move across state lines or across the country. Along with the most basic moving services, we also offer all the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It might not seem like it's necessary to hire a California moving company. However, if you want to save time, make your move convenient, and avoid the heavy lifting, you need to hire a local moving company. With the right moving company, your move will happen faster and more efficiently. Hiring professional movers, such as 3 Movers, will streamline moving day. Instead of spending an entire week working on moving to a new location, it will happen much faster. We can handle even the largest local move in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lake Forest moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.